Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. You don't need to sit perfectly. You don't need to feel calm. Just allow yourself to arrive exactly as you are. Slowly close your eyes and let's begin with the breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in gently and letting it go. One more time, inhaling, inviting a little space, and exhaling, releasing anything you don't need to hold right now. Allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. If you can, try to breathe in and out only through your nose throughout the meditation. Now bring your attention inward. Notice how your body feels in this moment. Whether you're holding tension and where is that tension? A place where it might feel heavy, where things might feel tender or tired. And if you're carrying any loss of a person, a relationship, a dream, a version of yourself, or a life that once felt certain, know that you don't have to explain it here. You don't have to minimize it. You don't have to rush through it. This space is big enough for your grief. Imagine now that you are standing gently with your emotions, not inside them, not running away from them, just beside them. You're allowed to look at what's been lost. You're allowed to feel sadness, regret, confusion, or longing. There's nothing wrong with you for feeling this way. Loss leaves marks because it mattered. If your heart feels heavy, place a hand there. Let that touch be a quiet reminder. You are here and you're still breathing. Now imagine a soft light appearing somewhere above you. Not bright, not overwhelming, just calm, steady, and kind. This light doesn't demand anything from you. It doesn't ask you to move on or be positive. it simply shines with you, with love and patience. With each gentle breath, imagine that light slowly drifting closer. As if it's saying, there is still something here for you. As the light reaches you, it begins to soften the sharp edges of your pain. Not erasing it, not denying it, just erasing it enough for you to just rest. You can imagine this light washing over your shoulders, your chest, your hands, now quietly remind yourself, even in loss, I am still here. Even in grief, something within me remains. I don't need all the answers today. Sometimes hope is just a small, steady presence that says to you, take one more breath. And here you are, taking that breath for yourself. Let yourself rest in that awareness for a few moments. The awareness that healing doesn't mean forgetting, and moving forward doesn't mean not feeling anything or leaving everything behind. It means carrying what mattered with care while allowing yourself to continue. Bring your awareness to your body and your breath. Inhale gently and exhale slowly. Notice the surface beneath you. And the quiet strength it took to show up for yourself today. I'm proud of you. When you're ready, slowly open your beautiful eyes and take this softness with you. And remember, even after loss, hope can still find you. Thank you and have a beautiful day.